Imagine stepping outside on a crisp October night and seeing glowing pumpkins lining the porch, flickering candlelight shining through creative carvings, shadows dancing across the yard, and every pumpkin telling its own spooky little story. In 2026, pumpkin carving is becoming more than a Halloween tradition. It's turning into a full creative experience. From cute, family-friendly designs to dramatic artistic masterpieces, jack-o'-lanterns are becoming one of the biggest focal points of fall decorating.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is pumpkin carving still so popular in 2026? Pumpkin carving continues to grow because it blends creativity, tradition, and seasonal atmosphere into one activity. In 2026, people are embracing more personalized Halloween decor, and carved pumpkins instantly make homes feel festive, nostalgic, and visually exciting. Love Halloween traditions? Like this if pumpkin carving wins. What tools work best for pumpkin carving? Specialized carving kits. Fine detail knives, scoops, and LED lighting are becoming essentials in 2026. Using proper tools helps create cleaner cuts and allows for more advanced designs without damaging the pumpkin. Tools ready? Like this, if DIY creativity wins. What pumpkin shapes work best for different designs? Tall pumpkins work well for vertical faces and stacked details, while round pumpkins are ideal for classic expressions and symmetrical patterns. Choosing the right pumpkin shape helps make the final design look more polished. Pumpkin picked? Like this, if shape matters. What pumpkin carving trends are biggest in 2026? Modern carving trends include layered designs, minimalist faces, glow effect carvings, stacked pumpkins, and detailed artistic scenes. Instead of basic triangle faces, people are creating more customized and visually dramatic jack-o'-lanterns. Trend-ready? Like this, if creative pumpkins matter. What pumpkin carving ideas work best for kids? Cute faces, animal shapes, emoji designs, and stencil carvings work best for younger children. Safety-friendly decorating methods allow kids to stay involved while still enjoying the creative process. Kid-friendly carving? Like this, if family fun matters. What outdoor decorating ideas pair well with carved pumpkins? Hay bales, lanterns, mums, skeletons, and layered porch lighting all enhance pumpkin displays beautifully. In 2026, front porches are becoming full seasonal scenes, rather than just simple decorations. Porch setup ready? Like this, if fall decor wins. What makes pumpkin carving truly special every year? It's the atmosphere it creates, the glowing porches, chilly nights, laughter during carving sessions, and the excitement of Halloween approaching. Pumpkin carving isn't just about decoration. It's about creating traditions and memories that return every fall. Feeling the Halloween magic? Like this, if it feels unforgettable. What lighting creates the best Halloween atmosphere? Warm, flickering lights, orange LEDs, pathway lanterns, and soft spotlighting create dramatic nighttime effects. Lighting is what transforms carved pumpkins from daytime decorations into nighttime Halloween experiences. Lighting glowing? Like this, if ambiance wins. What common pumpkin carving mistakes should I avoid? Avoid carving too early, overcrowding designs, or choosing pumpkins with soft spots. The Strongest jack-o'-lantern displays use balanced designs, intentional lighting, and pumpkins that fit the overall Halloween theme, avoiding mistakes, like this if clean carving matters. What creative jack-o'-lantern themes are trending? Ghost faces, haunted houses, moon and star patterns, pop culture references, and stacked pumpkin towers are all trending in 2026. Themed pumpkins help entire Halloween displays feel more coordinated and immersive. Theme chosen? Like this if spooky creativity matters. How can I make my pumpkins glow better at night? LED candles, string lights, and layered lighting create brighter and longer-lasting glows than traditional candles. In 2026, colored LED lighting is especially trending because it creates dramatic effects for nighttime displays. Glow effect. Ready? Like this, if spooky lighting wins. How can I preserve pumpkins longer? Cleaning pumpkins thoroughly, drying them properly, and using preservation sprays or diluted bleach water helps prevent rotting. Cooler weather and LED lights also help pumpkins last much longer. Pumpkin preservation. Ready? Like this if long-lasting decor matters. How can I create a luxury Halloween pumpkin display? Luxury displays focus on layering, neutral pumpkins, dramatic lighting, oversized lanterns, and coordinated porch styling create an elevated Halloween atmosphere that feels elegant instead of cluttered. Luxury Halloween vibe like this if elevated decor wins. How can I make my pumpkin display Instagram-worthy? Use layered heights, coordinated pumpkins, dramatic lighting, and themed props. In 2026, visually styled porch displays are highly popular because guests and neighbors love photographing creative Halloween setups. Photo-ready setup? Like this if social-worthy decor wins. How can beginners create easy pumpkin designs? Simple shapes, smiley faces, stars, moons, and classic jack-o'-lantern expressions are perfect. For beginners, the goal is to create clean, bold designs that still glow beautifully at night without requiring advanced carving skills. Beginner-friendly setup? Like this if simple carving wins. How can families make pumpkin carving more fun? Create carving stations with snacks, music, and contests for the funniest or scariest pumpkin. Family carving nights are becoming popular because they turn decorating into a memorable, seasonal experience instead of just a quick activity. Family night planned. Like this, if Halloween memories win. Pumpkin carving ideas in 2026 are all about creativity, atmosphere, and unforgettable Halloween moments. Through dramatic lighting, themed designs, and thoughtful styling, your jack-o'-lantern display can transform your home into the perfect fall experience. If you want your Halloween decor to stand out, start with creative pumpkin carving. Like this video, and come back for more 2026 Halloween inspiration.